Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are good. So today we will complete the back exercise of chapter number 1. Name of the chapter is Evolution of Computers. So on page number 9 you have checkpoint and question is state whether the following statements are true or false. First is Charles Babbage invented the arithmetic machine. Answer is false, because it was invented by the arithmetic machine was invented by Blaise Pascal. The second number is the difference engine was used to solve polynomials. Yes, it is true, it was used to solve the polynomials. The Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1635. Answer is false, because it was invented in 1642. Number 4 is Napier's bones is used to divide number. It is also false, because Napier's bones is used to multiply numbers, not divide. Question number 5 is the analytical engine was considered as the first general purpose computer. Yes, it is true. So on page number 11 it is challenge zone. A part is fill in the blanks. The first calculating device was abacus. It was abacus. Number 2 is Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal, right? Number 3 is the dash engine laid the foundation for the development of present day computer, that is analytical engine. Number 4 is the difference engine was designed by dash. It was designed by the Charles Babbage. And in number 5 is there are dash different bones on or stripes in Napier's bones. There were 9 different bones or stripes in Napier's bones, right? And part B is again state whether the following statements are true or false. First is Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Yes, it is true. Next is first generation computers used transistor. It is false, because first generation computer used vacuum tubes. Transistors were used by the second generation computer. Next 3 number is fourth generation computer gave rise to networking system. Yes, it gave rise to the networking system. Fourth number is the year from 1940 to 1956 marks the first generation computer. It is also true. That time period was marked as the first generation computer. Fifth number is abacus was invented in Japan. No, it is false. It was invented in China. Next we have C part, match the columns. So in first column you have generations and in second features. So you have to match the generation with the features. First is first generation computer. So in first generation computer they were used vacuum tubes were used, right? So we will match number 1 with D option. Second generation computer, they generated less heat, right? So number 2 will be matched with A part. Number 3 is third generation computer. In third generation computer they used integrated chips, IC. So we will match number 3 with E option. Fourth number is fourth generation computer. So fourth generation computer, in fourth generation computer gave rise to the networking system, to the internet. So we will match number 4 with B part. And fifth generation computer, example of fifth generation computer is Siri. So we will match fifth number with C option. So next you have D part. In D part you have question answers. So you have to solve this question answer in your notebook, right? So question number 1 is what is the difference between the analytical engine and the difference engine? What is the difference between these two engines? So analytical engine, it introduced a number of computing concepts and laid the foundation of computers that were further developed to give us the modern computer. So this was the first machine, that was the first calculating machine actually, and it introduced number of computing concepts, like we can do number of calculations in these machines. Next is difference engine. The difference engine represents the first complete design of an automatic calculating machine created to compute mathematical tables. So this was the first design of automatic calculating machine, right, who do the calculation by itself only. Number 2 question is name the different generation of computer with examples. So first generation computer example is UNIVAC. Second generation computer example is IBM 350. Third generation computer example is IBM. Fourth generation computer example IBM PC मतलब personal computer. Fifth generation computer example Alexa, Siri, whatever you want to write, you can write that example. Question number 3 is what were the transistors made of? So transistors were used in second generation computer and these were made of silicon or germanium, right? Question number 4 is computer of which generation were commercially cheap for the first time? So third generation computers were commercially cheap for the first time. Write any two feature of the fifth generation computer. So fifth generation computers were based on artificial intelligence, it is AI, and they were having the capability of understanding the human speech, right? So you have to solve this back exercise and complete these question answer in your notebook, not in the book. Thank you and have a nice day.